Imagine a world where the sun has never risen, no sunrise, no plants, no photosynthesis. A place buried nearly 4,000 meters beneath the ocean. Under crushing pressure and complete darkness, you would be expect nothing to survive here. But life didn't just survive, it built an entire ecosystem. Deep beneath the waves, the earth's crust cracks open. From these giant underwater chimneys, superheated water bursts into the freezing ocean. Some of this water reaches an astonishing 350 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Yet, because of the enormous pressure, it never boils. These are called hydrothermal vents. At first glance, they look like underwater volcanoes, but they are actually the foundation of one of the Earth's most extraordinary communities. On land, almost every food web begins with sunlight. Plants capture solar energy and turn it into food. But here, there is no sunlight at all. So, where does the energy come from? The answer is hidden inside the vent water itself. It is packed with chemicals like hydrogen sulfide. Tiny bacteria use these chemicals to make food through a process called chemo- chemosynthesis, if I am not pronounced wrong. Instead of sunlight, they harvest chemical energy. These microscopic bacteria become the producers of this dark world. Soon, larger creatures arrive. Giant tube worms, over 2 meters long, have no mouths and no stomachs. Instead, they carry millions of bacteria inside their bodies. The bacteria feed the worms, and the worms provide the bacteria with a safe home and a constant supply of chemicals. It's one of the nature's most remarkable partnerships. Nearby, ghostly white crabs, shrimps, mussels, and clams crowded around the vents, feeding directly on bacteria or each other. Predators like octopuses and fish patrol the edges, hunting for their next meal. Even here, the circle of life continues. But hydrothermal vents don't last forever. As the Earth's crust shifts, a vent may suddenly stop flowing. The chemical energy disappears. The once thriving community slowly fades away. Yet life doesn't end. Many animals release tiny larvae that drift through the deep ocean, searching for another active vent. When they find one, a brand new ecosystem is born. Scientists believe these mysterious vents may even hold clues to the origin of life on Earth. Some researchers think the very first living organisms may have evolved around hydrothermal vents billions of years ago. If life can flourish here, perhaps it could exist beneath the icy oceans of distant moons like Europa. The deep sea reminds us of something a extraordinary life. Life doesn't always need sunlight. Sometimes all it needs is the hidden energy rising from deep within our planet. And in the darkest places on the earth, nature still finds a way. That's it for today. Thank you.